We are back, and we just came from the courthouse, Erie County Family Court, where the judge set a date for the motions that are actually in place for the family who has been ripped apart based on allegations or claims from CPS. This is a scary thought because anyone who is looking to homeschool could possibly and potentially face the same type of myopic and catastrophic criticism and potentially lose their children, especially if a policy or procedure isn't followed through with fidelity. So what we do have here today, though, is the attorney, which we will be speaking to live on Facebook. Everyone, this is Vanessa Gate, and she is the attorney representing the family, representing the mother of the children who have been taken away from their mother, who has not seen her children for, it's been about 4 weeks now?
About 4 weeks.
About 4 weeks. So what we're going to do is really discuss what happened today. I think it's important for everyone to understand what transpired in court and to ensure that we protect ourselves in the future and learn from each other, and then stand with each other and support each other as we're praying for each other. All right? So listen, share this video now. Share the video because we're going to be talking about some very in-depth things as it relates to how to ensure this does not happen to anyone else. And Vanessa will provide the context, and she will also provide all of the specifics of what happened in court today. And we really need everyone to share this video as much as possible to make sure that everyone is aware. We want everyone to be informed. From personal experience, this is no fun at all to be sitting in a courtroom knowing that there's one person who could really determine the fate of your family. It is no fun place to be. So from personal experience, trust me, we need to handle this with extreme care and ensure that when we move forward, we don't say any names, but at the end of the day, we make sure that we're providing everyone with all the proper information. So again, Vanessa Guy, just introduce yourself and let everybody know what happened today. And I might just interject to ask a couple of questions. If a question comes through here, I'll ask that question as well. So at this time, everyone, share your videos. All right, share the video, share the videos, share this video with everyone else as we get started.
Hello.
Thank you for coming up to my office today. I appreciate that. Now, I'm not trying to be a reporter. I don't have a degree in communications or journalism, but I do know what the people of my district are feeling, being that the mother of these two children live in my district currently. Please tell us what happened today in court.
Today in court, we returned before the original judge. The last time we were in court, about 2 weeks ago, our original judge, Judge Cesar, can I say it? Well, I just said it now. Our original judge was out sick, and so we saw the duty judge. So we returned our case in front of the original judge, and today Erie County served another petition and withdrew the original neglect petition.
All right, hold on. Because I think right now everyone's trying to get into a car moving 50 miles an hour. We can't do it. So let's go back, let's pull over, open up the doors, and let everybody in.
Right.
Is that okay? All right, so what were you here for? What were you in court for today? It was based off of what?
It was based off a petition that was filed by Erie County.
Erie County what?
Department of Social Services. And it's being, I guess, prosecuted by the Erie County Social Services Department attorneys. Because they're the people that are in charge of going forth in family court with allegations of neglect or abuse or maltreatment.
Okay, so why was this case in this court for maltreatment, neglect, or abuse?
Because they are construing the fact that my client wants to homeschool her kids. They tried to construe that as imminent danger and thus spin it as neglect or abuse.
So real quick, everybody, what's really happening is a resident of Maston District sent in a letter of intent to homeschool her children. This letter went to the district. Communication was terrible. Let's put it out there. Communication was terrible between the resident of Maston, the district, and whatever other entity involved. See, so for whatever reason, the letter of intent went in. Correspondence was sent back and forth. They could not make contact with the mother who took her children out of school after the letter of intent was sent. And because of that, it prompted an investigation or a call to Child Protective Services. Now, of course, like I asked yesterday, did this prompt CPS to be called? Or was CPS going to be called regardless if this mother had taken those children out of the school? We don't know that. But at the end of the day, CPS was called because of educational neglect. That was the original petition?
That's what the original allegations are.
The original allegations were the fact that the mother was educationally neglecting her children.
Yes.
That was the original petition. Now, you went to court for that already.
Yes, we did. There is no determination made, but the Department of Social Services had sought an order that alleged imminent danger that enabled them to take the kids.
Tell my
over.
people, Vanessa, tell my people what eminent domain means. Tell them what it means.
Imminent danger means there's something going on right now that is